corazón, mi corazón.
Te lo dije bien clarito.
Permanece a la escucha. Permanece a la escucha.
12 de la noche en La Habana, Cuba.
Alright, so start of the vlog here. It's the day before the travel to Mexico. Very, very excited, but yeah, I want to really just bring everybody along for this journey, this road, and start to show people a little bit more behind the scenes of what my life actually looks like as a 28-year-old running a, multi-million-dollar insurance brokerage. Got extremely blessed by God. I have to give all the glory to God. Now, while I have this moment where people are watching my videos, somewhat entertained and getting education and getting value from this, I have to just take this moment and shout out and give all the glory to God, because God gave me the right opportunities, gave me the right people, gave me the right mind to believe in myself, to go after these things. So without him, that's why I just want to give that straight up to Jesus and to God, that there's no way I would be in this position where I'm at today at 28 years old without my faith in God. So I want to first of all shout that out.
Everyday hustle like William.
All right, so yeah, 5 million credits. How much does that cost? 10K? 50K? 5 million?
Just seemed kind of extreme.
I mean, how many do we usually buy? 50,000?
At a time?
Yeah.
I think 25 or 50,000.
Okay, let's definitely do that. At the minimum. 50K, let's do 100,000.
Okay, I'll just do it now because the deal's going on right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
100,000. Because that'll save us 20%.
Okay, perfect.
So that'll save us, I don't know. I don't even know how much it costs. How much does it usually cost?
There's like a second threshold, and we do ours like 40 cents or zero. I don't know. There's like a second threshold of them, and we do the second one, right?
Yeah.
A little bit cheaper, but it's like still valid.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do more than 500 right now.
Okay, so we'll do that one.
Yeah, so just 100,000.
Okay, that's actually all of the questions.
Okay, thank you so much, Kelly. That was very efficient.
Okay.
I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the verse. Yeah, I get in that kitchen, I cook, go to work.
All right, top of the morning. Got the bag almost packed. Gonna go get a coffee at my favorite coffee shop, Good Boy Bobby's. Shout out Good Boy Bobby's. And then gonna hit LAX. Hopefully have enough time to go to the lounge, get some food, get a drink, and then I'll see you guys in Mexico. People are already calling, so I gotta go. This is the Manhattan Beach Boulevard. One of the reasons I like it here is just because it's a nice area. You never know who you might run into. There's just very wealthy people around the area, and like, you never know who you might be talking to or sitting next to. All right, success, got the coffee here. I also just wanted to point out that I operate on an absurd amount of caffeine. People like actually are concerned for me sometimes, asking me, Chris, like, that's dangerous. Oh shoot, we got a call coming in. Everybody's blowing up, but yeah, I do drink at least like 6 to 8 espressos a day. What's up, Melvin? We got Melvin officially in the Puerto Vallartas. Oh shit, I gotta go. The police is getting me. I'm out of here. Sorry, Melvin. I got the cops on my ass. I'm pulling out. Sorry, coppers, you can't get me.
But everyone else, they're his. There's just a couple that he just hasn't done.
All right, we're at this airport.
Yes, sir.
We got cousin Emmy. He decided he wanted to bring a giant suitcase
For 3 days, you know?
for the 3-day trip. Headed to the Amex Lounge. Got a little bit of a rough start here. We're on the opposite side of the airport. 15-minute walk.
Yeah.
But it's worth it because they got free drinks, alcohol included, free food, and massages. It's worth it. Get the Amex Platinum, best credit card for traveling. Yeah, we'll see.
Tell the people at home what just happened to us.
All right, so we just walked like 15 minutes across the whole LAX, which is a massive airport. We walked like 15 minutes to go to the Centurion Amex Lounge, and then they had a waiting list of 25 to 30 minutes. Just so I can get a free beer. I deserve this beer. I paid so much money for this damn credit card. Now I'm chatting Amex. I'm like super upset. Amex, I hope you see this because we want our compensation.
Amex, you messed up this time. Chris here, master of communication. We got upgraded seats into the ultimate legroom, the legroom express.
We weren't supposed to be sitting here, but now we are. $25 more. Literally, all we did was ask. Squeaky wheels gets greased. Make the call. If you're sitting on some leads right now, call your leads.
Boom.
Me gusta el fuego, me gustas tú. Me gusta menear, me gustas tú. Me gusta la
guys, we're in the Mexico. We got our good homie Edgar. Edgar is the fucking best driver in all of Mexico, in Puerto Vallarta. So if you guys come to Mexico, this is your fucking guy.
How do you feel about being in Mexico?
Feeling good.
Yeah? What are you excited for?
To fish.
This is my favorite restaurant, Fat Boy, #2.
How's it, Val? Good.
All right, Emmy, talking to his lover.
Of course.
All right, cheers. Best
Here.
trip ever.
Hey.
I love you guys. Tequila count number 23 already.
Let's
We've
go.
only been here for 4 hours.
It's gonna be a great time.
Emmy,
Hey, we're catching a fucking marlin, a water.
We're gonna get some
mahi,
marlins
mahi,
tomorrow,
dorado,
baby.
everything.
we're gonna get a marlin tomorrow. Salud.
Crack it down, bro. Not just crack it down.
Hey, dude, like a G. Let's get the fuck out of here.
We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse.
Marlins, watch
All right,
out.
we're coming for some
Watch
marlins. All right, we're out here to catch a little baby whale. That's the goal here. We're trying to catch a little whale.
Break down the morning routine today.
So first things first, drink as many tequilas as you possibly can up until you completely just pass out. By then, you're in your REM. You get your 3 hours of quick REM, and then boom, you're up. Immediate espressos, tequila, lobster, and 3 hours of sleep.
Yep.
That is the key to success. This is essentially how you build multi-million-dollar companies.
What do you say to the people that wait an hour before you drink caffeine?
Honestly, I do that. Not even gonna lie. I wait 30 minutes. No phone, no caffeine for the first 30 minutes to an hour in the morning. Try to avoid the phone.
First thing.
Even with all the chicks in your DMs, you still gotta restrain from it, Don't do it. Okay, so yeah, we're trying to get some Sierras. We're trying to get some Toros. I'm just here to reel them in, dude. I'm just here for the big fish. I'm not here to necessarily be an expert on these guys. But all I know is I'm not coming for the babies. I'm not coming for the kids. I'm coming for the mommies. The mommies and the papis. And I want the grandparents too. I will take the grandparents. I want them all.
Everyday hustle like William. Yeah. Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the verse. Yeah. I get in that kitchen, I cook, go to work. I go berserk. Yeah.
You never know when you're gonna strike gold, eh?
Exactly. That's the thing, dude. You never know when you might just be on the hook. You can't just be ready for these small ones. You got it just could be that right now we could get a big dorado.
You're just playing around.
That's insane. The whale's tripping. It said it migrated down from California to Mexico because it's stressed. That's exactly why we're here too, because we're stressed. We're working way too much, and then we're just drinking these guys. Cold as heck. Just relaxing. We told Edgar, we said, hey, hook me up with some good tequila. And he came through with this from his buddy. So this is as legit as it gets. Just for the record, in Mexico, this is legal. You're allowed to do this. It's a mezcal, and we're gonna give it a little taste test. Everyone's gonna taste it, not just me. Melvin, no, you're gonna try it again.
You're gonna try it again.
Just put your mouth on it. Oh my god.
Woo! Good morning, America. Good morning, Mexico. All right, Emmy, for the vloggers. It's good.
Está bueno.
Honestly, this is better than
Buenísimo.
yesterday.
Buenísimo, Edgar. Excelente.
Qué bueno que les gustó.
All right, so now we're in the streets of a little town here in Mexico. You want to go to the pharmacy and get some like Pedialytes or something? Because we've been drinking all this mezcal. We get some testosterone boosters, maybe some
Viagra, some Xanax, some Adderall.
mix it all into one drink, and then just FYI everyone, we're totally kidding. Sí. Hola. It's a pretty large espresso. You got a double too.
Oye, Cristian, ¿cómo si te tomas 16 expresos al día tú?
Nah, es de broma. I'm not actually drinking 16. No. All right, so we're back from fishing. Finally freshened up. I felt like a mad person. Now we're just kind of chilling at Cousin Emmy's. He's looking a little slumped. But yeah, we're really crushing it. It's feeling real good right now. All right, we're out there at Campo Mar. super nice restaurant, highly recommend. They give you coronitas to start, which is nice. I feel like he did it before he started doing the pre-op. But yeah, main thing I just wanted to point out and address to the vlog, because I feel like I have not said anything to the actual vlog. I've just been like partying and like enjoying the time in Mexico, but part of this is like to show you just not really just only like the business stuff, me in my office. So I want to show like the actual life behind, you know, what you get to do as an entrepreneur outside of business, phone calls. And there's a very, very large difference between the two. Like it's kind of, you go really, really hard on business, you work super hard, you work the hours no one wants to work in 24/7, 24/8, and then you get to do pretty cool things on the other side. So it's like, I want to show everybody both sides of it, take you along the journey so that you can see also like other like-minded people and see the same stuff. And just want to bring you guys along for the journey. Bomb restaurant, we're in Mexico, we're enjoying it, we're partying, we're living our best lives. You guys get to come, let's go. All right. We're on a boat. We're going really fast right now, and we're gonna drink some more mezcal. Don't lose the camera. All right, crazy night. We lost a lot of footage. Lots of bad things happened. Lots of good things happened. And now we're going really fast. And we're drinking, baby. Let's go. Another day, another beer.
Pour me a little.
Woo! Pour a belt. Woo! Cheers.
We're over here at this Playa Anima. They got the hoops, they got the tostadas, and they're bringing us coke. They're bringing us coke.
Party. I like to be like before the madness because it's gonna get crazy in a minute. Yeah, we made it.
We
Let me get a bottle.
Estamos con el vlog del Let's go. Tengo un canal así de estoy como grabando para todas mis experiencias de Vallarta. Sí, sí, pero alright, getting rid of bad energies and also
Me too.
I fucking love you, man. And also, you know what? To an upward spiral of success. There's such thing as downward spirals. People in life, they're going downward. We're going in an upward spiral.
We're fucking exponentially going up.
Exponentially going up.
Chris and Melvin went to go talk to some birds. They left your boy stranded over here. He's got a girl. He's not trying to partake in all this business. You're gonna be able to see this, but like Chris and them are just talking it up with the birds. They got all the workers just by their side, just like, holy shit, these guys are really talking to the birds. I got a video of y'all going up to the birds, bro. You gotta give us a consensus. What happened?
Yeah, consensus is you shouldn't hide what you feel. I think a lot of guys out here are like, oh, I gotta stay cool in the corner. I gotta not talk to girls. I gotta pretend I'm cool. But I'm much more on the complete opposite side. I believe that if you really like the girl and you think she's beautiful, you should be a gentleman. Go up and say, excuse me, miss, I think you're beautiful. I felt like I had to tell you this. This is, you know, I'm a stand-up guy. I think you're gorgeous. What's your name? I would love to take you on a date. Say statements. Don't ask questions. A lot of guys ask questions. They're like, would you want to go on a date with me? No, I don't want to go on a date with you. That's allowing the girl to say no. So when you make a statement, I think you and I would go on have a great time on a date. That's a statement. You're just like, hey, you come with me, we have a great time. I think you and I should go on a date. Boom. It's a statement. Land it. Let it land. Long story short, show up and execute. Be a G. Be a gentleman. Let God's will, God's timing land, because God is number one. So if the woman's right for you, God will make it so. So just trust God and do you right, and then be the best version of yourself. That's all I got. New friends. All right, cheers. Salud. Melvin, get your drink. Salud, 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 salud.
The birds said they're gonna do some shit, but Chris said, fuck that. I'm going in.
Melvin, let's go. Fuck.
Hey, no homo. They look like models in this business.
No, it's looking solid out here, man. Mexico's the new hack. If you ain't in Mexico, man, I'm giving away all the secrets.
I mean, look at the jungle, bro.
Look at that jungle.
hope the camera can. It always looks like significantly cooler in person. This is a problem with like photos and shit. You can't really ever capture the proper scenic view. It's so beautiful. Like this is insane. Cousin Emmy with the fucking flips. EJ flips. Oh!
Fucking ran out of power. Look at this little shop we got. Yeah, they were not letting them try on the shit. They said if you fucking try it on, you're buying it.
It smells like shit? No, if it looks like shit.
If it looks like shit, bro, it's over.
Thank you, Hachi.
See.
Me llamo Hachi, pero me dicen Hachi.
$3,600.
Gracias.
3,600 pesos, bro.
Bueno.
Fuck it, I'm gonna wear this.
3,600 pesos.
Dude, this is not good. Where's our boat?
Oh, we lost the boat, huh?
I swear that's him, bro.
That's not him.
How do you know it's not him?
All right, a little update.
How do you know it's not him?
We lost the fucking boat. We might have to just snag one of those yachts, to be honest.
This guy's bullshitting the fuck out of us. Where do you see
The
him?
boat guy told us he's 10 minutes away. Where?
Where do you see him on the horizon? I don't see him anywhere.
Where the fuck do you see the boat? Oh, fuck. Oh, no, that boat's leaving.
No, bro, you can see this motherfucker from miles away. I don't see anybody coming.
We swing like a pendulum, back and forth and to and fro, and then we run again. And there's no need to fight the feeling.
This is my favorite animal right here.
All right, we're wrapping up the Mexico vlog here. One hell of a weekend. We're out of here. Just wanted to say a quick closeout outro to the video. First of all, great experience. Could have drank a lot less tequila, that's for sure. But overall, stoked to bring you guys along and show you guys kind of what it's like to party with me, to go on a vacation with me, and how I balance all that stuff. So that's it. We're out of here. Peace out, Mexico. We'll see you next time. I love you.